Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be my summer must-haves or summer favorites. These products are pretty random. They're not just makeup products, but they're great products for the summer that I use, so I definitely wanted to share them with you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys would like to see my summer must-haves, then just keep watching. Okay, so the first product that I wanted to mention is a bra, and this is the Up bra. Now, I know in the past when I've mentioned Up bras, I've showed you guys the strapless ones, and this is not a strapless one. This is called their Perfect Shape bra. I wanted to get a bra with straps because during the week I wear a lot of shirts that are like this. They're not like tube tops or anything. Now, for me, like during the day when I'm just like running errands or going to work or whatever, I don't really use these. I just leave them where they are. But if I'm going somewhere at night, going out, going to an event, going to dinner, and I kind of want to have an extra lift and some extra cleavage, you pull both of these straps and you can adjust your lift or cleavage, if you will, and then you kind of just like hook them in the little slits there. So it's really cool. I really love how you can adjust it there, but it's the same concept as the strapless one. So for me in the summertime, because you're showing more skin and you're wearing more, you know, dresses and tank tops and everything like that, a good bra is definitely a must for me. So I know these bras can kind of be a little bit pricey, but they're definitely worth the investment. So if you guys are interested, I will have a coupon code and a link down below. Okay, so moving on, and not in any particular order, highlighter is definitely a must for me in the summer, and probably most girls. You definitely want your skin to glow and look luminous and dewy and everything like that, but highlighters for me is definitely the way to go. I've mentioned so many highlighters before, but I recently started using this one, and I think for the summer this is going to be my favorite. And this is actually the Ofra Nikki Tutorials collab highlighter. So it's got 3 different shades here. Now, I kind of like can swatch these out for you guys, but the dark shade I haven't really like played around with yet. You know, you could probably like use this on your skin to kind of bronze up your shoulders or your chest per se, but these 2 colors in particular, this color is like the star of the show. I have it on my cheeks today, and it doesn't give you like that streaky highlight. It just literally like blends into your blush and your bronzer. That's why I love it. Okay, so moving on to bronzer. I've mentioned this bronzer before, and I believe one of my recent hauls. But this is the Too Faced Sweetie Pie bronzer, and this is crazy because, and I said this in my video before, I never thought I was going to like this bronzer because I have the Beach Bunny Too Faced bronzer, and it's not really a bronzer. It doesn't really do much to my cheeks, if you will. But this is kind of the similar concept. It's got like a dark color, it's got a shimmery color, and it's got like a blush color. But I'm telling you, it looks so beautiful on the cheeks. I have it on my cheeks today, and it's so like foolproof. Like if you guys aren't really great with bronzer or applying it, or looking for just a really easy bronzer that's going to look great on your cheeks and give you kind of that flushed look for the summertime, this is definitely the perfect one. It doesn't look like muddy. It doesn't give you like that muddy effect sometimes. It just really blends into the skin nice. It's not too overwhelming, and you can build it up as well. So I definitely would recommend this bronzer. It's absolutely beautiful. So I wanted to mention a moisturizer that I've been using this time of year. This time of year, I especially like to have SPF 30 in my moisturizers, and it's like hit or miss with moisturizers, especially the ones with SPF in it, because when you put your makeup over it, sometimes it just doesn't work. But anyways, the one that I've been using is the Rock Multi-Correction 5-in-1 Daily Moisturizer, and this has SPF 30 in it. I put this on every morning, and I put my makeup on over it, and you wouldn't even know that I have this on. And it also like says that it improves the look of discoloration, saggy, dryness, dull tone, and wrinkles. I'm not sure about that, but I am using this as a moisturizer. I do like it, and I do like that it has the SPF on it. So again, for the summertime, you want to moisturize your skin, especially in the morning, but you want to have an SPF on it. So you can get this at the drugstore. I got this at Walmart. I know the Rock brand is a little bit pricier for a drugstore brand. It's probably like $16 to $20 this is, but I mean, it's lasted me. I've had this probably for like a month and a half, and I probably have like 2 more months out of it, so I would definitely recommend this one. And sticking with face face products, I wanted to mention a BB cream. So this is the Maybelline Dream BB Fresh 8-in-1 Beauty Balm Skin Perfector. I use this like every year, but this is like their newer repackaged one. I have two shades. This is the medium, but I have the medium dark as well because this time of year with a tan, I've been using that one. I really love this BB cream, especially when I'm going to be like outside or on the boat or in my bathing suit and I'm going to be around people and I want to kind of look put together, but I don't want my bare skin showing. This stuff is great. It also has SPF in it, and it doesn't like look cakey, because have you ever seen girls that have foundation on in the sun and you can just see it and it doesn't, no. So I was like kind of nervous to start wearing like this kind of stuff with being on a boat and being in the sun and everything like that, but you can't even tell that you have foundation on. But it's a BB cream, not foundation, but it gives you the foundation effect. It gives you a flawless effect. It evens out your skin tone, but you can't tell that you have anything on your face, I think. So if you guys are looking for a really good BB cream, I would definitely recommend this one. So I wanted to mention a perfume for the summertime. This one is the Jimmy Choo Blossom perfume. I think this is like the 1.7 fluid ounce one. This is the small one, but it's lasted me a while, and this is just, it's a really nice floral scent. It's not too overwhelming, and it's like, I don't really know how to describe it because I don't have the, I don't have all of the notes listed, but it's not too florally. It's like a clean floral scent, but it's not overwhelmingly floral. If that makes any sense. But if you're looking for like a really nice scent for the summertime, like I don't wear this in the fall or the winter, I wear it in the spring and summer. So if you're looking for a really nice, clean, fresh floral scent, the Jimmy Choo one is really nice. Okay, so the last two products are kind of tanning products per se. They both come from the drugstore. So this product right here I made a video about, and this is currently my favorite go-to self-tanner. It's the Jergens Instant Sun. For a drugstore self-tanner, this stuff's insane. I absolutely love it, because it's the mousse. You can see where you're putting it, where the color's going. It's not like a guessing game where the color just develops and you're like, oh shit, what did I do? You know where you're putting this stuff, which is nice. And I also like it because it's buildable. It's not gonna give you a really overwhelming tan the first time around, but it still gives you a nice glow. And I did go into more detail in the video that I made, so I will link it down below. But if you guys are looking for a really great self-tanner for the summer, for me, I like to use it because Monday through Friday, I am not out in the sun. I am at a desk in my office, so I'm not catching any rays, so I still want to look tan. This stuff's great, but again, it's like under $10, and it's better than high-end self-tanners that I've used, so I would definitely recommend this one. Last but not least, I wanted to mention this Airbrush Legs. This is in the shade Deep. And this stuff can get kind of messy. I know that they have like the spray can as well, but I wanted to go with the lotion one. I actually had to order this from eBay because like Walmart didn't have the lotion ones. But anyways, I like this because right now I'm trying to avoid putting self-tanner on because I have kind of been in the sun, and my husband always be like, why are you using that stuff? So like it's been a week since I've used this, even though I still do use it. So my legs are usually always the palest part of my body. So days that I wear a skirt and I want just like instant color, this stuff's great. I mean, again, it can get messy, so you really want to rub it in, and then you just wash your hands, and this stuff will make your legs look like you laid in the sun for days, and it doesn't come off, like it doesn't like rub off anywhere, but it does come out from the shower, so it's not like a permanent thing. Once you shower, it comes off. So if you are looking to bronze up your legs instantly, and also like it minimizes all your imperfections. Like I have like white dots, or what do you call them? Like I'm losing pigment on my legs, so I have like little white spots on my legs from the years when I laid in the sun. So this stuff just makes everything go away, and it makes your legs look beautiful and flawless, and it's like instant. So that's why I love it. I lied, I have one more product, and this is a must for this time of year. I mean, for me, it's year round, but for summer, it's an absolute must. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. If you don't want your makeup going anywhere for hours and hours, this stuff's no joke. Like, I've tried other setting sprays before. This stuff's no joke. So if you want your makeup to stay, especially like when it's 90 degrees out and it's hot, it's right here. This stuff's no joke. I know it's a little bit pricey, but it is well worth it. That is it for this video. Hopefully you guys liked some of the products that I mentioned and they were helpful to you. I could have mentioned more products, but I really didn't want to like bombard or overwhelm you guys. But anyways, I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.